Welcome to the virtual presentation of the Ulrich Medical Contrast Media Injector for Computed Tomography CT Motion Spicy. In this presentation, I will show you how the injector works and what advantages it offers. It is battery operated and completely cordless, meaning it can be moved flexibly around the room. For even more flexibility, a ceiling version of the injector is also available. The display on the injector enables patient changeover with just one click and provides an overview of all relevant injection parameters. This means that you are with your patients from the outset and can dedicate more time to their care. The device is operated from the control room using the touch terminal with its intuitive and clear user guidance, which communicates with the injector wirelessly via a special Bluetooth connection. The disposables for this injector consist of just two parts, making the operation as easy as possible. In combination with the 24-hour multi-use principle, cost and time savings are no longer just wishful thinking. Part 1 of the disposables is the patient tubing. Part 2 of the disposables is the pump tubing, which is approved for 24-hour use. The pressure sensor unit is integrated in the pump tubing and monitors the pressure of the injection volume in the pump tubing. The particle filter, also integrated here, prevents foreign bodies from entering the patient's bloodstream. Thanks to the approved 24-hour use of the pump tubing, the injector only has to be set up once a day. How is it inserted? Remove the device from the packaging and push it into the provided holders with just a few steps. Once the tubing is in position, the injector lid can be closed. In just a few seconds, the injector is ready to be connected to the patient tubing and for the media to be attached. The patient tubing is replaced for each new patient and connected directly to the pump tubing. As a further safety feature, the disposables also contain 3 integrated check valves, as well as 3 air filters on the spikes of the pump tubing. To complete the setup procedure, the media containers are now attached. The medium is always injected directly from the original media containers, removing the need for the time-consuming and error-prone drawing up of syringes. 2 connection points are provided for contrast media and 1 for saline solution. The integrated heater ensures improved contrast media viscosity and higher patient comfort. The media is now confirmed. Once the media attached to the injector is confirmed, the system is filled automatically. The injector is now ready to be used for the first examination. As an alternative to bottles, bags with a capacity of maximum 2,000 milliliters of saline can also be used. To use the bag, simply employ the saline rod. Compatibility with up to 1 liter of contrast media offers ideal media supply for high patient throughput. In total, it is thus possible to provide 4 liters, 2 times 1 liter of contrast media and 2 liters of saline. The contrast media injector CT Motion Spicy also offers you additional time and cost savings with its seamless and tandem functions. Seamless is used when 2 identical contrast media are attached. You can also fit the contrast media connection points with 2 different contrast media. The injector can then selectively change from one contrast medium to another using the tandem function for different patients, without the need to change the pump tubing. The special feature is that different types of contrast media can be used. In addition, you have the option of using a wide range of further software functions directly via the easy-to-use touch terminal. The CD Adapt software function is intended for special investigations. It automatically lowers the contrast media density and thus also the costs for you, thanks to the lower contrast media consumption. The Ulrich Medical RIS-PACS interface also enables the simple and comprehensive integration of the CT Motion Spicy into RIS and PACS systems using the DICOM standard. The automatic media label recognition via barcode reading transfers the media data to vendor-neutral PACS and/or DMS systems. In summary, the contrast media injector CT Motion Spicy saves you both time and money. Firstly, you will benefit from greatly simplified workflows, as you only have to insert the pump tubing once per day. It can remain in the system for 24 hours. A logical consequence, less waste and lower costs for disposables. Secondly, with the comprehensive software features, you will optimize your workflow and contrast media management. There's no need for laborious intermediate steps. In addition, you have more freedom when selecting the contrast media and manufacturer. The CT Motion Spicy from Ulrich Medical will ideally integrate into your workflows. It is ready for use when you need it and lets you focus on what's truly important.